Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel Toiletterian. I bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So today I have another of unboxing and first impression plus the update video for you. And in this video I'm talking about the brand or the house of Mauboussin. And this is the update for Mauboussin Discovery. So I unboxed it a few days ago and I'm going to tell you the update for it. The update is good, 6 to 8 hours with 2 hours of good projection, but it's one of those fragrances that your nose will get used to it quite quickly. So I was keeping, after a while I couldn't smell it and I kept asking my wife, is she smelling it still? And she said yes, it was going very strong. So this is one of those fragrances, your nose get fatigued very quickly, but other people will smell it on you. So this one is another number 666 copy of Creed Aventus. Yes, it is a very good quality, under £30 I think is worth it. If you like Creed Aventus and you don't want to pay the price tag, which is about £300, this is a very good alternative, very good copy, very good clone of it. And as Creed Aventus is, this is very easygoing, crowd pleaser, all year round, no age limit for it, so it's very versatile. As I said, it's under £30. At least this is what I paid for it. I leave in the description where you can find it for the cheapest. Hopefully, I'm not affiliated, just for your convenience. And if you know it, if you have it, if you tried it, let other people know in the comments your experience. That would be useful for other people to know. And let's go to the unboxing. And today's unboxing is another Mauboussin. So this is a Mauboussin, but this one is called Histoire, the Irrésistible. Goodness me, they couldn't find any shorter name. So it's a big name. Again, I'll leave it in the description where you can find it for cheapest, hopefully. But this one is quite harder to find than the Discovery one. For some reason, this is quite difficult to find. But if I find a link, I will leave it there for your convenience again. So this is Eau de Perfume, 90 ml. And as you can see, the box is quite nice. Simple box, does the job perfectly. The important thing is it protects the bottle. Okay, let's go and unbox it. Sorry about the noise. So very simple box, and let's go to the bottle. The bottle itself is very cute, so it's quite a nice looking bottle, which is a departure from, they usually have the men fragrances, homme fragrances in this shape, but this is the first time, or at least one of the first, to see in different shape. Attention to details is everywhere. It's quite nice. It's got this logo and it's a black bottle. Cap is quite nice. And let's go to the atomizer. The atomizer, it's nice atomizer. It's not very good, but it's nice. Okay, so Mauboussin, the name, Histoire de Irrésistible. So let's call it Irrésistible for now, alright? Smells good. Okay, how does it smell? First impression, first sniff. Green, herbal, aromatic, a little bit of spicy, underlying spiciness. Very leafy, woody. Wow, this is quite nice. Some of you know that I love green fragrances, so this is up my alley. So I love it to bits, at least for a first impression. So this is an aromatic, green, herbal, woody, leafy fragrance. wow, what is that in the background? There's something in the background gives it a little bit of earthiness, tiny bit, not much at the moment at least. Again, in a few days time I'll give you updates how it developed and the information about it, the longevity and things like that. But for now, smells very good, especially for the price. I paid again under £30 for this. As I said, this was a little bit on the harder side to find, but if you do your research, Google it and see if they can find it anywhere. But for the price, it smells beautiful. It smells very balanced. The perfumery is very good perfumery in this. There is nothing basically unbalanced here. Again, for my taste, this is a gorgeous fragrance because, as I said, green fragrance especially is one of my favorites. I almost like every fragrances, but there are certain type of fragrances that are my favorite, which I prefer to other things, and one of them is green fragrances. So this is exactly what I like. Okay, so it's quite floral as well. There's some white floral in the background now is coming out. Wow, but it's quite complex for what you pay for under £30. That is very, very complex. I mean, quite complex. Very cute, but it's quite on the mature side. The discovery is, you know, ageless. It's almost youthful. But this one is the opposite. This is on the maturer side. If you like this kind of fragrance, then it doesn't matter. But to me, this is quite on the mature side. I would say 25 and up to be on the safe side. It reminds me of some of the 80s and 70s fragrances. Not a copy, but because of that genre, it reminds me of those fragrances. This green, aromatic, spicy and floral and woody fragrance. Wow, it's gorgeous. It's very, very nice. The citruses are quite subdued in the beginning. I can detect some citruses like lemon and bergamot, but they are there, but they are not huge. Okay, but overall beautiful. I like it. I actually love it. The opening is very, very nice. But again, we'll have to see how it develops and how it goes with the development and the longevity and all good things. Right now, there's nothing I can say that is negative. Beautiful packaging, the price is amazing, the perfumery is very good, the genre of this perfume is what I like. It's quite mature, it's sophisticated, it's not simple fragrance, but overall it's very, very pretty. Okay guys, if you know this one or any of this, again, leave in the comments so other people can read your experience. If you like what I do, if you find them useful, entertaining, or informative, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe for future videos, share it between others. This way you help me to grow my channel, and that would be very appreciated. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.